What's going on, YouTube? A couple months ago, one of our customers contracted us to do their route optimization. When we went to go do the project, we realized that this customer has orders that go straight into their accounting system. So basically, these are orders that are done through a web portal, EDI, or they're just keyed in by the back office team directly into the accounting system. Now, to optimize these orders, obviously we can't force the customer to re-import these orders into LaceUp by hand. So what we've had to do is develop a feature that extracts the orders from the accounting system and automatically sends those orders to the optimizer to get you the most efficient route possible. Once those orders are ran through the optimizer, we take them back and we generate load sheets for the customer so that the customer can pick and pack each truck. Today, we're going to show you just how we did this functionality. Let's get right into the demo. On the screen, we're going to see two components. Here's QuickBooks Enterprise, and here is the LaceUp back office software that's going to do your optimization. What we're going to do is, if we look here in LaceUp in the delivery window, we already have orders for all these customers. What we're going to do is we're going to create an order for customer number 1, and we're going to import that order into LaceUp so that it can be optimized. So again, here you'll see orders 2 through 8. So let's go into QuickBooks. Here's customer number 1. Right click, create invoices. We're going to go item code. Let's do 10 of these. Item code. 10 of these. And then item code. 10 of these. We're going to put the ship date for today, or the date for today, and the ship date for today. And we have to fill in this field right here. It says insert into LaceUp with the number 1. So next I'm going to hit save and close. I'll go over here to LaceUp, hit update data, and I'm going to update just my deliveries. So let's go deliveries, update, data imported. We'll go into the delivery window, and you'll see down here that invoice. If we double click on it, 10, 10, and 10. Just like that, we've imported any order created in the accounting system into LaceUp. Now we're going to optimize these orders. To run the optimization, we're going to select the list of orders. We're going to hit optimize multiple. While it's optimizing, the way that the system gives the most efficient route is that it sends these 8 orders to Route For Me. Route For Me is going to optimize for time, for distance, and for the minimum amount of fuel. When it's done optimizing, the system will load a map that's going to show you all the routes on a map. So you can see here initializing the map, and the moment that the map initializes, you'll see all the orders load up. So in 2 moments, we'll see all the orders load on the map, and we'll be able to view the routes. So for instance, here's my 3 routes for my 3 trucks. What I'm going to do is, you see right here, we've got stop number 1 and stop number 4. I'm going to take stop number 4 off this route, and I'm going to add it right here. So that should be the first stop that the driver goes to. So let's do this. We're going to take 4, we're going to put it right here. So it's updating the map with the update that I've just made. There we go. So there's the updated map. Okay. Here are all the orders, and when I'm done, I'm going to hit save and close. The system will remove all the orders from down here and move them to the top. So you can see right here, we now have truck 1, truck 2, and truck 3 for 222 ready to go. The next step that our customers do is they print the load for each truck. So to do that, you're going to highlight the orders and hit print load. They're going to use this load to go out to the warehouse to pick and pack the product to prepare it for delivery. So this load will contain the product name, the quantity ordered. You'll see it here. So here's the category. Here are the items. Here are the quantities. Category, items, quantities. Here's the truck that it's for. So we've extracted invoices from QuickBooks. We've optimized those invoices. We've printed the load sheet. And the last step is that the orders all go down to the smart device for the driver that has the printer as well, so that the driver can go to each stop and invoice each customer. We'll get into the handheld portion on a later demo. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to comment us or reach out to us and we'll help you to the best of our abilities. We look forward to seeing you next video. Take care.